Alrighty, so I'm back with another video. Now this is the second day. So what I'll be doing today is possibly removing the CRT, which is there, but that's not what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm going to be removing this plastic front here, and possibly this. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to want to flip it over. Or if you're just continuing off from where you were, then it should already be flipped over. But I need to remove the screws. Did I set this on the screwdriver? No, there's one here. Oh, the other one's there. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this just like before. Not too hard. Got the two screws. I'm going to set them next to the RAM module just in case I forget. I'll know where they are. So I'm going to lift this up, off. Oh yeah, I cleaned this all up so there's no longer dead bugs, which is nice. So now what I'm going to want to do is spin the computer around so that it's facing me at the front. So normally there are these two covers that go here, and you can remove them with just a small flathead screwdriver like this. But now this one, it was so like brittle that when I got the screwdriver and it just went to put it just snapped. So these two don't have one, but you can't see it, and this doesn't even matter because I don't even think it'll be here anymore. So what you're going to want to do is unscrew the screws here, which I'm going to start making into a step process again. So this is now unscrewed, and if I remember how to do this correctly, you should get a flathead and put it in between. You should just be able to pry it at the sides of it. And it should just come off, but you gotta do it carefully so that you don't break anything. You need to like put it on its side, so I need to get a blanket of some sort so that it is not damaged anymore. It already is. So I'm gonna put this there, and I'm gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna just flop it over on its side. Okay, so this is all loose now, and it should just slide out. So I'm going to be giving this a good cleaning to make it all look nice and new. Back those with the case pieces. Okay, so now the hard part, in my opinion, removing this part. So what you're going to want to do is take your small see, there's not one here, but there's one here. What you're going to do is get a flathead, just kind of try to get that out. This is not easy. This is the most annoying bit with these dang computers. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's got a crack in the plastic there. Whatever. Okay. Oh, it just broke. Okay, well, that was not what I wanted to have happen, but it broke in 2 pieces, so never mind, it broke into 3, so I'm just going to set these pieces to the side. Whatever, I don't think it's going to be here anymore anyways, so it doesn't matter. This is going to get unscrewed here. So I'm going to put these 2 back, which are from the front of the plastic on the ground. Get these 2. I was like, where'd it go? It's in the screwdriver. And there seems to be a bunch along here, which are holding in the plastic casing. Looks as though there'll be 4. 1, 2. Are those the same? Yeah. Now I gotta flip it over. You know what? Screw it. I'll figure it out. I don't want to flip it over, but I don't actually think there's gonna be another way to do it. I don't want to break anything. That's the worst part about doing this, is I'm afraid that I'm going to break something. Only thing I'm going to break is like my back. Okay. Let's just slide it off the table. While we're at it, I'm just going to make sure that all the legs are actually still open, which they are, and I'm going to get going again. And that should be all of them. Okay, so now you gotta push down on it. So I think I could set this up straight. I'm not sure. There's nothing to really hold on to at the bottom while I put it up straight. Okay, hopefully that doesn't break it. So I gotta go like... There we go, that's a start. If I break this freaking table and this falls on the ground. Oh, God. Got it. What? Oh, okay. I was going to say, how did I not manage to get that? Did I break anything in the process? No, not really. This is really dusty. This is really dusty. Jesus. Okay. It's gonna go there. And this is now, as far as I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna put my arms behind my back and just kind of look before I go any further, because I'm going to be getting my dad to come just so that he can make sure that I don't do anything dumb and kill myself. So This is going to be a bit of a pain, but, okay, where does this black antenna go? I don't see it. Oh, cool, that's the video cable right there. So did I break anything underneath the computer? Yay! Nothing's broken. Did I break anything along here? That's broken. There's a slight crack. Oh wait. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's about it. Now I just gotta discharge the frickin', you know, the CRT. You gotta get it under the. I'll just go like this. There we go. So this is what we'll be discharging. What you do is I'll be wearing rubber gloves, I'll be wearing shoes, and I'll be having a wire taped to this and taped to something metal, and I'll be putting this underneath this and touching the anode to make it discharge, and then once it's discharged I can start removing everything else. Yeah, so I'll get back to you when that happens.
When did you get that?
Last year, and it took like 3 months to come. Okay, so
Well,
discharging.
What do you want for $1?
Yeah,
Well, you're in front of it and you can't see. There you go.
should be discharged. That's it. It was discharged.
Mm-hmm.
I had a feeling that it would be, but and now it's safe to work on.
Mm-hmm.
Because everything's discharged. There you go, discharged. So now we're gonna start working on it some more. That's the safe way of doing things. You don't want to screw it up because you're screwed. If you screw up doing this, then you die basically. So yeah, now we gotta unscrew all the other screws. Which I found a screw. That's safe. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this on its screen. I'm gonna spin it around so you can see what I'm doing. As you can see, disconnected. I can't really, but nothing. It's done. I'm gonna, no, okay. Well, if anyone wants to buy any of the video stuff, just let me know, because I'm gonna be keeping it for, I'll keep it for a month, and if nobody responds, then I'll be getting rid of it. Oh, did that just break it? No, it didn't. Screws from this plastic thing are going here. Uh-huh.
You know what this is?
Is it a rock?
No. The bag. Is this for Mom's band?
Pardon?
Is these for Mom's band?
I'm not sure.
I think so. For a winter tire.
Oh yeah, that's probably what it is.
What do they think of that?
It's kind of odd, isn't it? Yeah, see, look at this one speaker. Oh my god. Whoops.
So I take you're not recording sound with that.
With what?
Your video?
Yeah, I'm just not talking, and I'll be muting it, so it doesn't really matter. It'll be a time lapse of me trying to get this screw out.
What you doing?
Oh. I think I just undid a screw that I didn't need to undo, and I can't actually, like, I've been struggling to undo it for like 10 minutes, and I didn't even need to undo it. Oh, maybe. Oh, no, I see what it is. Oh, look, it's the antenna. Not required. Too bad Canadian Tire doesn't have that thing anymore.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Like where you could drop off old monitors and like old computers and stuff. Yep. I find it so funny that they installed an antenna, but they didn't give you a card for it. Oh, there's 2 antennas. That's pretty cool. But I can't get this one. Oh, that's that. It's not like... Almost got everything. I like how they hold it in with like these giant screws. Okay, guess that's not meant to come out. What should I use to cut wires that I need from it? Like scissors? I'll just use scissors. It'll work. Gotta cut some wires. Now all I need to get, I think, is the speakers off. Could you grab, actually, I think I got it. There we go. Look, oh, there's a screw there. Oh, there's a thingy. They ground every single, when they were holding the power cord for the CRT, it was being held in with every single, like every corner, it was clipped in with a ground cable. So this goes like this.
Yeah.
And then goes like in and under, which is, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it, but I didn't want to trash it because all that's garbage, right? There's nothing that I need. I just need to get the speakers off, which I still can't manage to do. God damn it. Like, I can't take this, I need.
Well, is it plugged in somewhere that you can just take the whole...
Nope. It goes to this.
Okay.
It's like a pin. They wired it all into one thing. It's a pain in the butt. But it was probably easier for them, so. Okay, I gotta get these goddamn speakers removed. Get this up. connected anymore. Okay, let me just grab this. Can't get the friggin' speaker off. There's a piece of plastic on the ground. That's great. Okay. These frickin' speakers! Okay. I'm still struggling. That's what noise is. Okay. I'm gonna remove some more stuff that I need quickly. Like, can you really not remove this? No, you can. It's zip tied on. Maybe. Oh, whatever. Okay. Where's the other flathead? Is it underneath? Yes, it is. Okay. Well, I guess that's one way of getting it off. Okay. So I got both the speakers, I got the controller for that, I got one of these, I got the microphone cable. Where's the other frickin'... I got this that I need. Still here, okay. Next to this, which can get removed somehow.